Hello student, this is Yogita Parmar and today we are going to cover the topic raw materials of photosynthesis. Now, what are these raw materials are? Raw materials are the materials which are used in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so what are they? Water and minerals, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. We have somewhat idea of the sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, in the previous lecture I have taught you about the sunlight and the chlorophyll pigment. So the first raw material, water and minerals. The plant get water and minerals from soil. The root absorbs water and transport to different parts of the plant. That we know, that we have done in the previous class also, that the root absorb water and it get transferred to different parts of the plant. But here we will study that how the roots absorb the water and how it is transported to different parts of the plant. Okay. Okay. So there are two types of vessels present in plants, that are xylem vessel and the phloem vessel. Xylem and the phloem. Then the xylem vessel helps in transportation of water from roots to different parts of the plant. Okay. And the phloem helps in transportation of food. Means after the photosynthesis, the food gets stored, the starch is stored on the leaf. Okay, from the leaf, the phloem helps to translocate the food item to different parts of the plant. Okay, so these are the two important vessels that are present in the plants, and these together known as vascular bundle or vascular tissue also, we can say. Okay, suppose that I'm drawing the diagram for a simple plant. Suppose this is your roots and this is your plant. Okay, these are the roots. So what happened that from the soil there are the xylem vessel which takes the water. These, you can see this orange line. Okay, these are what? These are the xylem vessel which takes the water from the roots to different parts of the plant, like this. Okay, so they take the water to different parts of the plant. And the phloem one, okay, phloem I am drawing the solid lines. Okay, the phloem, what they do, from the leaf they take the food to different parts of the plant. So these green lines are the phloem tissue and these orange lines are what? Xylem tissue. So what is the difference we have seen in them? These orange one is what? Xylem tissue. Xylem tissue, you have seen that the direction is always the upward direction. Xylem tissue, what they do? They conduct water. Okay, and the direction is always upward. Upward, or we can say unidirection. Unidirection मतलब एक ही तरफ का डायरेक्शन रहता है. ठीक है. और the xylem, this green one, they are going up also, they are going down also, they are going this side also. So their the flow of direction is, these are the phloem. So phloem conduct, or you can say translocate, food to different parts of the plants, and the direction is bidirectional. Okay, got it? So there are two important tissues that are present in the plant, that is the xylem and phloem. The xylem conducts what? Water, that helps in that water transportation to different parts of the plant. Where is the phloem, which helps in the transportation of food? The food is stored in the form of starch on leaves. From the leaves, the phloem transport this food to different parts of the plant. The difference between xylem and phloem is that the xylem is unidirectional, okay, and the phloem is bidirectional. Okay, and the major difference, you know, that that the xylem conduct water, whereas the phloem transport the food to different parts of the plant, and both of them together known as vascular tissue or the vascular bundle of the plant. Okay, student, the next we will do the minerals, how the minerals are transported in the plants. Thank you.